Hello, welcome to Bell CB. I just got finished doing some work on the 69FFB4. This is for Michael in Ohio. He asked me to do a tune-up and a conversion, and I put a Top Gun modulator switch right there, a Top Gun compressor inside the radio, and a tone switch on the back side of the radio for high and low tone. Which, high and low tone on this radio is not a big difference. We found after putting it in, it doesn't change it that much. Okay, let's check it out on the watt meter. See what we got here. We're going to do it started without that switch on. I set his high power to about 75 watts, and I set his low power to 10 watts. Now peak power over here, 1000 watts, going to be reading right in the middle here, right there at the 400 watt mark, just a little over that.
Audio, check, 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 check. That's a low power, audio. That's a 10 watt mode, audio, check, 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 check. And that's if I kick on the modulator, audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check. So that's 10 watts swinging 400. Audio, check, check, check.
Okay, and we'll turn the Top Gun modulator back off for a minute and go on sideband. Let's turn the mic gain back up and the power back up. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Alright, now the compressor, you see the tops of that? Audio. Almost looks like AM. Sounds okay though on the radio, and that came with the compressor. The compressor did that. I first did the Top Gun modulator and then the compressor. I can't turn that off to show you what it looks like without it. I can just show you the Top Gun. Okay, let's put it on here, see what we got. Breaker 19 for a radio check. I appreciate it. Thank you much.